Hi everyone, my name is Raden.
Hi, I'm Kamelia.
In this video, we're going to talk about Apple Watch. In Apple Watch, you can measure all the ways your move, fitness, and health insights.
Now let us show you some of the features that can benefit your healthy lifestyle using your Apple Watch.
Okay, first, I'm going to share about workout apps. We all know that exercise is important for our daily lives. And not forgetting, you can track progress with your Apple Watch.
On Apple Watch, open the workout app and find the workout that best matches what you are doing. Tap the workout, wait for the 3-second countdown. To add another type of workout without ending your session, after 1 minute on the first workout, swipe right, then tap the new button and choose another workout.
Now we're going to talk about the activity application. The activity ring shows your daily activity. Make it your goal to close them every day.
Open the activity app in your Apple Watch. Scroll down to read the move, exercise, and stand descriptions. Plus, you can earn awards for achieving your goal. To view, just swipe left 2 times from the activity apps on your Apple Watch.
To people who are passionate about fitness, we want to know how their heart is performing during a workout and how it recovers afterwards.
Let's learn about heart rate tracking so you will understand why Apple Watch is great for monitoring your health. Green LED lights and light-sensitive sensors on the back of Apple Watch will measure your heart rate during a workout, and the data is used for things like estimating how many calories are burned. Apple Watch will measure your heart rate continuously during a workout and for 3 minutes after a workout ends. That way, you can see your recovery heart rate and know how quickly your heart rate returns to normal. When you are not working out, infrared LED lights track your heart rate throughout the day. Apple Watch uses these readings to deliver heart rate notifications and calculate resting and average walking heart rates. So, you can see your heart performs at any time. You can check your heart rate by opening the heart rate application on Apple Watch, and you can add the application to the dock or add the heart rate complication to your watch face, so it's even easier to find the details you need. You can also use the health application on iPhone to track your heart rate over time, helping you make better decisions about your health.
Apple Watch inspires you to live a healthier life. And with Apple Watch Series 6 and the blood oxygen application, you get even more insight into your wellness.
The blood oxygen application can allow you to measure the oxygen level of your blood on demand directly from your wrist, providing you with insights into your overall wellness. Measurements taken with the blood oxygen application are not intended for medical use and are only designed for general fitness and wellness purposes. To take a measurement, just launch the blood oxygen application, then remain still for 15 seconds with Apple Watch facing up. This is to help you understand how well your body absorbs oxygen over time. Apple Watch Series 6 also takes periodic blood oxygen measurements if background measurements are enabled. You won't get successful measurements if you move too much. These are automatically stored in the health application on iPhone, where you can filter and view them by when they were taken, like while sleeping or at a high elevation.
Okay, don't forget to take your machine protection plan for your Apple Watch.
They cover for 2 years. That's about it. Don't forget to come and visit us at Machines Bukit Tinggi. I'm Kamelia.
I'm Raden. Hope to see you soon.